Hey, go ahead. It's your girl Cita here. If you're new, welcome. If you're coming back, whoa.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil. Pas de soleil, 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 pas de
Hey, girl. Hey, it's your girl Cita here. If you're new, welcome. If you're coming back, hey, girl. Hey, hi. So, what we got up for today? We got, I don't know. I mean, I do know. I gotta go pick Nyla up at 3. And it's 1:30 now, so that means we'll be getting ready to leave the house in a little bit. I'm waiting on the patches for the pool to get delivered, so that should be here within the next hour. Really, it should really be here in the next few minutes, but we'll say the next hour just to be on the safe side. At some point, I do want to get a video edited for today. Oh, I gotta finish that one video so it can go up for today. So we got some work to do, but I wanted to try it because remember in the last couple of vlogs, I hadn't had a chance to test these out. And I told you, I was a little concerned with if it was going to fit all my vitamins. So I said, you know what? We got to rip the Band-Aid off, girl, because it's not like you're about to take these back. Let's be honest. So I ended up was like, let's just use it, see if it works. It works. So I think what I'm about to do is fill the rest of these up for now, and then I know there's some other stuff that needs to be done. I haven't even had my cup of tea yet. Like I said, it's almost 1:30, but it is hot in Detroit today, okay? It was hot yesterday. It's hot today. It's going to be hot tomorrow. So, boys is going to have a pool day today. They're going to have a pool day tomorrow. So, me talking about what we going to do, girl, nothing too much. I'm not going to lie to you. It's hot. And I'm not complaining because these are the moments I've been waiting for. It's just one of those, it'd be nice if I could get the temperature in the house to stay consistently cooler. I don't expect it to be cold, but cooler. I got my big one in the big air conditioning unit is in the living room, but because the TV's running, which I'm about to go turn off because the boys ain't even watching that. The computer they played yesterday, I didn't even know it was on, so it was just kicking out heat. That's why it's so hot in the house today. On top of the heat that's going on, it was already close to 90 at like 10 this morning. I think we're supposed to get up to 94 or 96. So let's see how today goes. And everything in the house is not used to being this warm. Like I'm in the basement. Like yesterday I kept hearing a noise. I'm like, what is that noise? Girl, the pipes are I wanted to say melting so bad. Cancel clear. The pipes are sweating. So I'm hearing everything fall. The condensation sweating off the pipes in the basement. The house is not used to being this hot. That's all I'm going to say. And it's funny because I'm like, I do kind of want my tea, but at the same token, I don't. You know what? Maybe I'll just do an iced matcha and we can take it from there. I don't know. But I didn't have tea yesterday. I miss her. I made some tea, iced tea. It's in the refrigerator. I just need to sweeten it. So I'm going to have to make my own little water to sweeten it and then dump it in there and shake it up. Because honey going into ice cold tea, honey don't do well with cold water. So, but yeah. So, I'll see you in a little bit, I guess. put your feet on it. So we made it back home. Bash is in the sprinkler now because the patches I bought, I thought were going to be like the patches I had before. These ones say wait 4 hours. The patch I had for the actual pool said wait 30 minutes. So can't use it till tomorrow. What you doing? You over here with the little West Hill. You having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. So he's doing one of our childhood favorites because we didn't have a pool. We had a sprinkler though.
Isn't he on that big branch
Mm-hmm.
that looks like there's another branch connected to it?
Yeah, it looks like it's got two
Oh yeah.
holes on the branch. The bird is right there. You see it?
Yeah. There's some in peck.
I truly hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.